The A3500 features 5 program settings for smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. A new programmable timer helps you create consistent recipes. It displays how long your blend has been running, how much time is left on your program setting, or stops the blender automatically when the time you've entered is complete. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. The sleek touchscreen panel easily wipes clean. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A3500 with a 10-year warranty, part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
With AutoIQ features timed, intelligent blending programs that do the work for you. A digital countdown timer shows how much time remains on the 1 of 5 pre-programmed AutoIQ settings. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce total crushing blender jar pulverizes ice to snow and is perfect for breaking down frozen fruit. Creating creamy, frozen drinks for the entire family never seems so easy.
Is your kitchen overdue for a powerful upgrade? Introducing the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender. From pulverizing nuts and seeds to effortlessly producing consistent results, the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender shines where other appliances struggle. This powerhouse blender comes equipped with a commercial-grade 2.25 peak horsepower motor that easily handles your toughest kitchen tasks. With a double housing design, heavy-duty plastic base, and soft-touch handle, the Hurricane Blender is not only ultra-quiet, but incredibly easy to use. Press a button on the illuminated LCD display to choose low, high, or pulse, or press the pre-programmed setting for smoothie or ice crush. The tight seal lid comes with a 2-ounce removable measuring cup and allows liquids to be added directly into the blender jar when in operation. Automatic load sensing technology means this smart blender knows when to adjust blending strength based on the amount of food added to the 60-ounce BPA-free Triton jar, so your preset functions produce consistent results every time. The refined finish comes in gunmetal gray and complements your kitchen style without compromising the high-quality operation and efficiency expected from a Cuisinart blender. Professional-grade power, ultra-quiet operation, and ease of use are just a few of the reasons the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender blows the competition away. Give your kitchen the powerful upgrade it deserves by adding the Cuisinart Hurricane Blender to your culinary arsenal.
The new Hamilton Beach SoundShield 950 blender with quiet blend technology is 55% quieter than a traditional blender. Here's a traditional blender. And here's the SoundShield 950 in action. Our quiet blend technology keeps noise levels low so you can make a 6 a.m. smoothie without disturbing your family. Keep the conversation going while mixing margaritas, and let the baby keep napping while dinner gets started. Our hinged quiet shield provides superior noise reduction that keeps all of your blending noise at bay, while our motor, fan, and rubber jar pad are all designed to muffle sounds while they work. But the innovation doesn't stop at keeping quiet. The 950 is a powerhouse when it comes to smoothies, icy drinks, salsas, soups, hummus, and more. It crushes ice with a 950-watt peak power motor and stainless steel blades. 3 speeds with pulse to ensure controlled blending and desired results every time. The 52-ounce dishwasher-safe glass jar has a spill-stopping, drip-free pour spout to minimize the mess. It's easy to blend your own smoothies to go with the included 20-ounce blend-in travel jar. It's also easy to clean. Just lift, press, and slide the SoundShield to remove. The blades also remove for cleaning. It's a snap. Combine powerful blending, easy use, quick cleanup, and more peace and